What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Durple from Sprunki. We're going to begin today's lesson by drawing a large circle for the head, but we're going to leave two gaps along the top for the horns. Let's start with the top center, starting over on the left side. We're going to bend this up and then back down towards the right. Now let's add a little socket for the horns. Starting back on the left, we're going to draw a small half circle, coming down and up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now on the outside of each socket, we're going to draw two straight lines going up along the side of the horn. So let's start on the left. We're going to go up, go all the way up towards the top to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Draw a straight line going up towards the same height. Now I want to angle this back down and in towards the inside of the socket. Now with the horns in place, I want to finish off the circle going around the bottom. So let's start on the left side of that socket, go around our circle, and then in towards the middle. And we're going to make our way up towards the bottom right side of the right socket. Let's move to the center of the head and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, start from the very top, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's separate the eyes in half with a straight line, going across the middle from left to right. And then we want to trace the bottom half of the eye along the inside for the pupil. So let's start on the left, coming down, and then up. Up above the eyes, we're going to draw a curve for the eyebrows, going in between the horns and the eye. Move to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across the mouth. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the pupils. Now there's two large fins along the side of the head. So let's start on the left side, draw a straight angle line going up and out. I'm going to line that up on the right, going up towards the same height. Let's move down and angle this down and then out. Then we're going to connect the ends with a curve going around the side of the head. So we're going to go out and then back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start over on the left side. We want to draw a straight angle line coming down and then out towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side, draw that same length line. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Durple from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.